A solitary figure emerges from the canvas. I'm painting him in dark burnt sienna, loosely painted, gestural. He sits, contemplating on a chair. This figure is a presence, a question, a reflection of something universal. Who is he and who are we? When the edges of our being blend into the fabric of the cosmos. I'm reminded of an ancient idea, the unseen watcher, not the man in the sky of old religious stories, but something more elusive and profound. Imagine a presence, vast, pervasive, and silent, that observes without judgment. Call it Big Brother if you like. Though this watcher does not police or control, it is the universe itself, a network of interwoven forces, quantum entanglements, dark matter, and the invisible threads that bind us to the stars. I approach this watcher through the lens of science. Quantum entanglement reveals a strange and beautiful truth that particles, once connected, remain intertwined no matter the distance. It is as if the universe keeps a record of their bond, sending signals across the void to maintain their connection. Could we too be entangled, not only with each other, but with the cosmos itself? Loosely painted, our figure sits in quiet contemplation, the top of his head dissolving into the fiery background of yellows and reds. An austere world, neither here nor entirely there, suspended between abstraction and form. Dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up most of the universe. We cannot see it, yet it shapes galaxies, guides the motion of stars, and holds the cosmos together. If there is a conscious embedded in the universe, perhaps it resides here, in the unseen scaffolding that sustains existence. Slowly the fiery background comes to life. The figure's head merges with the light, like a thought dissolving into the ether. He sits both within and beyond the world we know, a metaphor for our own place in the cosmos, aware yet unaware of the full extent of what surrounds us. The watcher, be it Big Brother, God, or the universe itself, remains ever present, connected through unseen forces, observing as part of an intricate living web. It is near the end of the painting that the scene becomes whole. This painting speaks in the language of color, form, and connection. It asks us to consider the possibility that the universe, not an empty expanse, but a conscious entity, aware of its own existence and ours. It is not a question of religion, but of wonder. We are beings of dust and stars, shaped by the forces we cannot see, bound to a cosmos that is both our home and our mystery. In the silence of the universe, we are never alone. To his right, a simple impression of a plant takes form, reaching upward as though yearning for light. To his left, I introduce a glass of wine, a small, elegant object, yet rich with meaning of transformation. From earth to grape, from grape to glass, from glass to hand. These additions anchor the man in his environment, yet they also emphasize his connection to something greater, the plant striving for growth, and the wine, a symbol of life's fleeting pleasures, mirror the human condition, caught between the material and the infinite.